Okay, so this is our road system asset that we've built in the previous tutorial. Now we will start putting those buildings in the right spot. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start by building this part over here. This spot. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by building 5. This one over here, I'm gonna duplicate it, move it here, and I need to spin it on the y-axis. Spin it by 180 degrees. There we go. Now I'm gonna snap it here. Okay. The next building is the building 10. This one. I'm gonna duplicate it and let me bring it in the right spot. I'm gonna press V to activate the snap, and let me bring it over there. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add the building 8. This one, I think. No, building 8. Yes, this one. Duplicate it, bring it here, and let's snap it. Yes, I need to spin it 180 degrees, I think. Yep. So let's snap it to the right spot. There we go. So this is our first part of the map. Okay, I'm gonna jump to this little part over here, and let's do the same thing. So I'm gonna grab the building 2, this one, duplicate, and let me put it right there. V to snap. I think it's in the right spot. Nope, I need to spin it. So let's spin it by -90 degrees. There we go, and let's press V and put it right there. Okay, what's next? So now we have building 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. Duplicate, and let's grab it beside this building. And after we finish building our map, we will drag this car. Drag it and drive it in our game environment. Okay, so what's next? We have building 3. This small building over here. So duplicate it and let me grab it right there. Okay, there we go. And now for the final building, which is building 6. This one. Gonna spin it by 90 degrees. Grab it by V, and there we go. Okay. Okay, so now let's jump to this part over here. So first I'm gonna grab this shop. Yes, duplicate it and move it right there. Here I'm gonna grab the building, the first building, this one. Let's duplicate it and put it in the corner. Yes, it's in the right spot. I don't need to rotate it. Perfect. Now I think, yes, the skyscraper, this one. It has to be at this spot here. So duplicate it and let me grab it right there. As you can see, we begin to see the final result. Okay, we have another building over here, which is the number 8. Building 8. This one. Duplicate it and let's move it there. Now let's move to the other spots, these 2 spots over here. So we're gonna start by this one. So we have the building 10. Let's start with building 4. Gonna grab it there, V2 snap, put it right there. Okay, and after that we have building 3, this small building. Let's grab it, spin it by 90 degrees. There we go. And first building, this one, spin it by 180 degrees. Okay, and let's snap it. Okay, now the other side. For the other side we have building 10, the last building, this one. Duplicate it. I need to spin it on the y-axis by 90 degrees. Okay, and let's press V and put it right there. Okay, we're getting closer to finishing our map. Okay, now we have building 7, this one. Duplicate, spin it by 90 degrees. V2 snap right there. Okay, now building 6, this one. Duplicate, V2 snap, and let's move it right there. Okay, and for this spot over here, I think I'm gonna just duplicate this building over here. Duplicate it and put it right there. There we go. Okay, so now let's move to the final part, this one over here. So for this part over here we have building 5, this one. Just duplicate it, and after that we have building 3. Duplicate, spin it by 90 degrees, V2 snap right there. Yep, and building 1, the first building, this one. Gonna spin it by 90 degrees, and let's grab it here. Okay, the other side we have building 10 in the corner, this building. Gonna put it right there, spin it by 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees. Press V and let's grab it there. Okay, and next we have building 7. Spin by 90 degrees. There we go. And now the final building, which is building 6, I believe. Yes, building 6. Duplicate. And let's put it into the right spot. Okay, here we are. This is our game environment, our 3D open world game environment. And now I think I'm gonna duplicate this part multiple times, 4 times, so that we can make it looks much more bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna select the row system, duplicate it, and move it here. I'm gonna use the snap tool to connect the both parts. Select both road systems, and I'm gonna duplicate them to the other side like this. Delete this car and the tree, and and I'm gonna snap this part, snap them here. Okay, here we are. Now I'm gonna add some trees to our game environment. So I've already created these trees, so all you need to do is to drag them and put them in the right position. So I'm gonna put them there, duplicate. I think I need to scale them down a little bit. Yes, like this. Move them down. Okay, duplicate. I'm gonna duplicate them all over this street. Duplicate. Okay, select everything, duplicate, move to the other side. Okay, here we are. So our game environment is done. All we need to do now is to drag this car into the map and drive it. Okay, so in order to drive this car, I've already assigned some script to it. So this car script, so that we can be able to drive it. But first I need to assign the car chassis to the main camera. So I'm gonna grab this plane and let's put it right there into the missing prefab. Okay, now let's drive it. Excellent, here we are. So this is our game environment. You can expand the city even more. You can duplicate those parts, or if you have some buildings, you can add them to the game environment. So in the next tutorial, I'm gonna start animating other cars. So we will be animating those cars in the next tutorials. Okay guys, so thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Take care.